Tuesday afternoon, a large pine tree broke off, downed power lines, and started a fire that raced around two houses and burned 21.5 acres in the 8,000 block of Williams Highway around 2:45 p.m. Traffic was backed up for a quarter mile as firefighters rushed to quell the flames. The homes were saved, but the fire consumed a motorhome, a pickup truck, and two outbuildings.
At this point, I don't know all the details. I believe it was power related. It may have been a tree that came down, hit the power line to cause the initial ignition. With the weather conditions as they are here recently being very extreme, it doesn't take much for a small fire to grow rapidly. The fire had a good wind on it and it was starting to push out across the fields. Fortunately, it ran into a pond over here and we didn't get any further spread beyond the pond and towards the river. We had two helicopters working the incident. They were a great big help.
Rural Metro Fire Department, Grants Pass Fire and Rescue, Applegate Fire District, and ODF crews responded. Some phone customers were without service because of the incident, but Frontier Communications was working to restore that service. Pacific Power also had to deal with outages caused by the fire.
Well, the best of our guess was that the tree snapped over about 20 feet up. That's the only thing we can tell that brought those lines down to the ground, which would cause the fire. So there's an obvious stop there and a green tree laying on the ground across the power line.
So pretty straightforward.
Pretty straightforward, cut and dry. It looks like all the right-of-ways have been cleared through here, so there's kind of one of those things that happen. Wind's pretty stiff in here right now, so it's very likely that's what occurred.
You can read more on this story in the August 13th print and online editions of the Daily Courier.
Whether you're going out or ordering in, the restaurant guide at thedailycourier.com is your guide to dining in the Rogue Valley. See what's new on the menu today.